Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to chat about Cloudways and why it's a must-have. Right now, they're offering a killer deal for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Just use the promo code YT20OFF and you'll get 40% off, plus a 3-day free trial. It's a steal! Cloudways has some awesome features that cater to everyone, whether you're an individual with a website or an agency managing multiple sites. They've got solutions for e-commerce, bloggers, developers, and agencies. It's super user-friendly and easy to navigate, even if you're new to Cloudways. Plus, they offer a 30-day free trial so you can test it out risk-free. One standout feature is their Cloudflare Enterprise CDN, which optimizes your website for peak performance. And let's not forget about their staging environment, where you can test changes before pushing them live. Cloudways also provides top-notch support 24/7, along with managed security features. They even have a handy invoicing system that simplifies billing and payment processing. So, if you're looking to scale your online presence, Cloudways is the way to go. Don't miss out on their amazing discounts and features. Like and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.